Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This time we want to find some broken toys and how to fix them. Let's watch this video. Okay, in this race can I get or find some broken toys? It look like two toys. Yes, it look like two cars, one of supercars and one is rescue car. Okay, let's take it out from the press. Okay, let's take it inside. Oh, okay, we are already in the house. Let's tidy up the toys first. Okay, this is part of supercar toy and let's fix it. This is a very nice supercar toys. Wow, very nice. Okay, next I will repair the rescue car and let's watch this video. Wow, it's very nice rescue car. Yeah, very nice. Hey, for those of you who have not subscribed yet, let's subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video and click the like button. Okay, see you for the next video and bye bye.